beginning to feel a lot like Christmas. Go, Bunny, go. Run. Nothing beats New York during the holidays. Saks is like a second home to me at times. Nothing is prettier than this. They actually made it a castle. Like, hello Walt Disney. Cinderella in there, Beauty and the Beast. What is up and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to smash that subscribe button as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below, as well as hit that notification bell as we do have a ton of heat coming out this week. I know it's the holidays, but that's not going to stop us. We got tons of videos coming out, so do not forget to hit that notification. As well as, you probably noticed we have a new join button down below. That's right. For any of you who are looking to become new Shade Gang members, be sure to check out all of those different tiers and all of the added perks that we have in each of those tiers. As well as we've got new merch, you guys, so be sure to check out all of the new Shade Gang products that we've uploaded to that store. All right, you guys are probably staring at this Crossbox logo tee that I'm wearing. That's right, I finally got my tees in the mail. Thought I was gonna have some cancellations, but I ended up getting everything that I managed to cop online. I'm also going to be doing a sizing video for you guys, so stay tuned to that, which is why I've been kind of ordering different sizing options just so I can create that video for you guys. But all of the colors that I was able to get, starting with the red, this is a size medium that I'm wearing here. And then I also got a yellow, so I'm just gonna actually take these out of the bag so I can show you. Let me know as well, what was your favorite color that dropped in the Crossbox logo tees? I managed to get a black, a red, a navy, as well as a yellow. So here's the yellow colorway. That's down there. And then this one is the navy colorway. Very similar to the black, very subtle difference here, but pull this out so you can see it. All right, let's see if we can actually hold them both up side by side so we can compare. Let me know which color you guys like the best. All right, so today is going to be a very short video. I'm sorry this video is late. I have been jam-packed with work. Last day of work before Christmas. Pretty exciting. Here with Amazon. As well as editing and filming all this footage, but I'm not gonna leave you Supreme goers out there hanging, so we're gonna go through it. This is the Supreme Week 18. It sounds like this is actually going to be the last week, so we are going to have a little break with Supreme coming up here. As far as this week goes, you guys are, I've got to be real with you, I'm not probably going to do a lookbook on this week. There's just not really any items that are standing out to me personally, but we're still going to go through them. So we've got the marble 6-panel hat, and that comes in purple, white, and black, and it's going for $48. Then we have the micro logo hooded sweatshirt, and that comes in a multiple options. So we've got green, white, cream, purple, black, and orange. And it's just got that really just subtle logo on the front of that. And then we have the Windstopper sweatpants that are going to match with the Windstopper Zip Up hoodie sweatshirt. I actually saw a really cool video that somebody created for the Windstopper. It was like this guy skateboarding and he turned into wind. I don't know, the effects were dope, so definitely was feeling that. As far as the Windstopper sweatpants and sweatshirt goes, it comes in the same exact colorway. So we got the camo, the green, the black, the navy, the light purple, and that orange. I personally had already gotten a long sleeve with that tiny logo on it, and the logo is just so small you can barely see it. And honestly, when I have my hair straightened or if it's long, it just covers that, so you barely even notice it's even a Supreme item. So that is going for $198 for the sweatshirt, and the pants are going for $158. Then we have the Windstopper ear flat box logo New Era hat, and that's in the same colorway. So we've got the camo, the purple, the black, the orange, the blue, and the green, and it's got those nice warm ear flaps to keep your earlobes warm during the winter time. Then we have the loose gauge beanie, and that looks super comfy, but I think I've topped out on the beanies for this winter. I think I've had plenty of cops and I don't really need another one. But this is in a blue, a navy, a beige, a gray, a pink, a black, a yellow, as well as a burgundy. And last but not least, the most upvoted item is the Swarovski Zippo lighter. I actually got a Zippo lighter this past year with Supreme and it doesn't work. So I think I'm gonna pass on it because I need to like send that somewhere to get fixed. I don't know what the problem is. I've like hurt my hand just trying to light it over and over and over, and I've completely given up after the 100th time. I mean, it's not gonna light anything ever in its poor lifetime. So want for me. Don't think I want to spend any more on a one that has Swarovski crystals on it, in my opinion. So this week is definitely a light drop list week, and there's just not that many items on here that are completely appealing to me. So unfortunately, you guys, I'm not gonna have a drop list lookbook for you, but I do wanna wish you all a happy holidays, and I can't wait to see you guys when Supreme is back at it. So happy holidays, happy new year. We will see you in 2021. All right, also, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, as well as leave me comments or questions down below if you guys are actually going for any of these items. And not to mention, we've got that notification bell not going away completely. So yeah, you guys are gonna see me this week for other items such as shoes. So I may be going away for Supreme shortly, but I will be here for the shoe unboxings, as well as hit that join button, you guys, because we do have a ton of perks that we are offering our members right now, and I don't want you guys to miss out on those. And hit up that merch if you guys want to check out our new items that we have uploaded to that store. We'll catch you on the next video.